Good morning, students. I am Renu, your maths teacher, and this is the class of the topic integers. We have done 4 questions of this topic. Today we will start the 5th question. Let us start the 5th question. Exercise 1.1, page number 4, and this is our 5th question. Firstly, we will read the statement and then we will solve the question. Our statement is 5. Mohan deposit rupees 2000 in his bank account and withdraw rupees 1642 from it the next day. If withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposit and find the balance in Mohan account after the withdrawal? So what they saying, Mohan deposit, if a sum of money is given, like Mohan deposit 2000 rupees in his bank account and he withdraw 1642 rupees from it next day. Next day, first day he deposit 2000 rupees and next day he withdraw some money. They say if withdrawal means we are taking money out of our account, so it get reduced. So they say if withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, withdrawal is with a negative integer, because after withdrawing our account has less money than before the withdrawal. So then how will you represent the amount deposit? When we deposit amount, the amount in our bank get increased. So when the things are increasing, we present it by a positive sign. So we will say that amount deposit is represented by a positive sign. By a positive, it is integer, so we say it is positive integer. And withdrawal, they have said that it is represented by negative sign. Then this is answer of first part. Then second part, it is said find the balance in Mohan account after the withdrawal. So we will take it. Firstly, we will write amount deposit in bank, amount deposit by Mohan in bank. It is rupees, it is sign of rupees 2000. Next day he withdraw, so amount withdrawal by Mohan in bank is equal to rupees 1642. So amount left in bank account this is the total amount he has withdrawn it. Now the left, we will subtract the terms. 0, it is 8, 0 minus 2, 10, 10 minus 2, it's 9, 9 minus 4, it is 5, and 9 minus 3, it is, and the sign of rupees 358 rupees. This is our this question. Now let us start our next question. In this question, 6th question, we have told about the direction. Firstly, we will draw the figure. The statement is Rita goes 20 kilometer towards east. There is a line drawn for showing this. It is written on line west and east. I am drawing this line. This is the point A. I am just drawing the line. And here is B. If we represent the point A by C. What is said? Rita goes 20 kilometers towards east from a point A to the point B. From point A to point B towards it, Rita covers a distance of, it is of 20 kilometers. From B, she moves 30 kilometers towards west along the same road. On the same road, she moves to west. So from here, she moves to west. We say that it reached at point C. So this distance is 30 kilometers. Now, if the distance towards east is represented by a positive integer, then how will you represent the distance traveled towards the west? If this is the point, the distance covered, it is shown by a positive integer. Then they have said, what you tell about the distance traveled in west from A? You have, it is positive integer. By which integer will you represent her final position from A? From A, we have to take, we say that she is reached at C point. So we have to take that from A, what is his final position? Means what the distance represented between A and C. If positive, if negative, how much is the distance? So let us start. Firstly, Rita is here. Then she starts moving towards east. In east, she goes to point B. So she covered 20 kilometer distance. After reaching here, point B, she starts moving to west. When she goes to west, she covered a distance of 30 kilometer. So we say that in west, she comes to point C. So we have to talk about the distance between A and C. The distance between B and C is 30 kilometers. This is our sixth question. So we will write, firstly, if distance towards east is represented by positive integer, then we say distance towards west will be represented by a negative integer. Okay, now the question is how we have to solve how much distance is between A and C. So we will write distance between point A and B. It's 20 kilometers. So distance between point B and C is equal to 30 kilometers. So distance between point A and C. 30 kilometer is total distance from B to C, from which 20 kilometer is distance from A to B. So from this 20 kilometer distance is this. So we left with the distance from A to C. So 30 minus 20. It is 20 minus 30 minus 10. We will never represent. It is So distance between A and C is 30 minus 20, it's 10 kilometer, because distance can never be negative. Now we have to tell by which integer will you represent the final position. We say this represent negative, and it is here at 10. So minus 10 represent her final position. Her final position from A, because west direction represent negative integer. Now this is minus 2. So we have completed with 2 questions. This is end of today video. Now we will discuss next question in our next class.